welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I just want to kind of just chit and chat with you guys about what I've noticed within the natural hair community. And to start off, my channel is not a dedicated natural hair channel, so if you think it is definitely not. I am natural. I have been now for 4 years, I want to say. I really just want to talk about what I've seen lately and kind of just how I feel. And this video is not meant to attack anyone. It's not meant to attack anybody. I'm just talking to y'all. Can we talk? Can we chit chat? Lately, I've seen an influx of natural hair ladies that are going back to a relaxer. And I feel them on that. Now, is it something I think I would ever do? I don't think so. I don't think I will ever go back to being natural. Sometimes I do think about being like texlaxing, which to me is the same as relaxing. I've kind of like watched a couple of these videos, and like, to me, I don't know why people just can't be happy for other women. Like, we go through enough, you know what I mean? And you know, I hear all these, the one comment that irritates my soul is when somebody says relaxing your hair is self-hate. That drives me up the freaking wall. Like, no, it's not self-hate. It's just what I want to do with my hair, because that's just how I like it. Some things are just how we want it. It has nothing to do with conforming to society standards, self-hate, all that kind of stuff. What it has to do with is I just don't want to deal with my natural hair. Some people are just not hair people. Some people don't have the patience for it. And some people just like their relaxed hair. It was featured on the Essence website, or wherever it was. I think it was a website or something like that. And there was on social media kind of my picture going around because I was natural, but I did relax my edges. And I got all this backlash from it. This was last year. And it just really kind of brought me down a bit, because I see comments on social media or whatever of people who were talking down on me when, you know, that picture was kind of going around or whatever, or my picture was going around. And then those same people ended up in my inbox wanting to know how it was. Like, they were curious. And I was just like, so that little spiel is kind of like my thoughts on natural plus relax. That's as far as I went. I've never texlaxed or anything like that. I've only done my edges. So I was just curious about what you guys thought about it. I don't care either way. If you want to relax, then relax your hair, because sometimes, a lot of times, I've seen women with beautiful relaxed hair, healthy relaxed hair, and then women who have natural hair that's breaking off, that's horrible, it's dry, it's brittle, they're not taking care of it. So who's to say that natural hair is healthier than the relaxed hair? Because I don't believe it. That's just me. However, lately I've just kind of been discovering new natural hair ladies and following y'all on Instagram and YouTube, and just like, I'm like, yes, give me some new girls, you know, some new faces. And here's my thing. I don't see enough women with type 4 hair, 4C hair, tighter than 4C hair, 4B hair even. I also feel like a lot of women are going back to being relaxed simply because there was this, you kind of thought your hair was going to come out a certain way. You thought you would have a certain curl pattern. You thought that this would happen and that would happen, blah, 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 blah. But your hair does not look like the one that you desired. I'm being completely honest with you guys. And I think that's kind of what's happening. I know I have thought it. I know I've been like, oh, so this is what I'm really working with. These, I feel like that's something that doesn't get talked about, is curl envy. But it's not, I mean, I don't think it's a bad thing. I mean, I don't know how to explain it. I know you shouldn't envy someone else. I totally get it. However, I think the whole natural hair movement some people took it as they just want to become themselves. I took it more as I just really want to know who God made me. That's how I took it, because I had never seen myself without a relaxer, ever. So I was just like, well, how do I really look? You know what I mean? So that's where I was with it. And I think some women also was like envious of what they always saw on social media, or these looser curls, or this super thick hair with looser curls and all this kind of stuff. And it's not the reality for them. So they would prefer their relaxed hair. That's just my opinion. And I'm curious to hear you guys' opinion. I want to know why you think this is happening. Are we really reverting back to relaxers? Does it really, like, is it really that big of a deal to wear a relaxer? And do you think you just may be happier if you are natural with having relaxed hair, or text-laxed hair even? Because I don't know, those are just my 2 cents. That's just what I wanted to talk about and put out. And I hope you guys like my hair today. Side note. Just a side note. Anyways, that's it, you guys. Just wanted to put out there. Just wanted to get some dialogue going. If you want to come on here and be a natural Nazi, or you want to put down natural women, I want your opinion, but be respectful, because I will delete it. I will just delete the comment, and we just gonna go on about our day. We can talk about things, and as women, black women, whatever, you guys, we can talk about things without putting each other down or calling each other names and this, that, and the other. So let's talk about it. Let me know how you guys feel. I would love to hear it. And yeah, that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. When you're ready to